I'm a Jellicle cat. I'm a Jellicle cat. And I am a fucking Broadway producer. And I'm proud.
Meow, cat's the Jellicle Ball. Cat, the kitty kitty cat. Meow, cat, the kitty kitty cat. Meow, cat.
Oh, look fabulous.
Oh, happy opening.
Do I look like a cat? House of Beauty, this is cutie. Huh? That's funny, SNL. That's my third time. You know that, right?
Yes, of course I know that, but that literally, someone gets an Emmy for that.
I love Keenan. That's so funny.
Not the one. Bussy Forward.
Bussy Forward. It's crazy. I know. It's like when you really know that you kind of like really crossed over into like the whole zeitgeist of pop culture, and I know it's really flattering, but I want to host, or at least I want to do a cameo. Come on, as myself with him. I think that'd be sickening, but the ultimate goal is to one day host Saturday Night Live. But we just keep manifesting, and and it'll get closer and closer. Hey, since I'm going out, I think I'm going to wear New Balenciaga by Pierre Paolo. I love this coat. I think, yeah, London premiere maybe of Wicked. I wore the sample, but then now it's in stores. So you've seen enough. That's enough. All right. Until next time. Mwah. Yeah, she can get dressed at, cause you can't dress either one of them.
No.
So text Mohib. Mohib just getting Chopra jewelry for her tonight.
Yeah, I just spoke to him.
So who's dressing? Yeah, Ryan needs to get dressed at the office, and then Brooklyn can go to Jodie. Yeah. I wrote Anna today and congratulated her for being on the cover of Vogue.
Yeah? What did she say?
She wrote back, thank you, and a whole bunch of exclamation points. That's so cute.
That's cute.
Yeah.
It was a funny cover.
I like it.
Like, I do too. I liked it too. I was like, okay, this is like fun at least.
Right.
Like I'm sure it made people like react or smile or something.
Right, it made me smile. I'm like,
Me too.
I was like, congratulations on being a Vogue cover girl. How iconic. I'm gonna wear that leopard Dolce.
That's nice, though.
And I think I might wear my hair big, like get
My man.
like go
Like
in,
Grisabella?
like get into the whole zhuzh of it. You know what I mean?
That's kind of eating him up. Just
Yeah.
like,
So I might do that.
this is the moment. This
Yeah.
is the moment for sure.
It's very Cats coded.
I love that. That's fire.
The biggest.
I think I'm just gonna go like full on like costume, Yeah, meow. If you're a real pussy, I think that's the moral of the story of Cats is, just be pussy, fuck what the world thinks about you. If you feminine, just be feminine, just be pussy, Stop trying to be something you're not. Stop trying to be a dog when you're really a cat, Just be yourself. It's the moral of the story. Be yourself. And I'm talking to all the kitty cats out there. How many minutes?
6.
Oh shit, I need to change my shoe. Cause you know what pissed me off? for the whole day if I wear the wrong fucking shoe. That's what it really grind my gears. So we are headed to the opening of Cats, the Jellicle Ball. I saw the show already. I went to a preview last week or the week before with Zendaya, and we were really had such a really fucking good time. It's just like, it is really just a good time, a gay old time. They play Chicago house music. Wow. I didn't know people still got like sounds in their car. People still do that? That's crazy. That was a big thing in Chicago. Just get sounds. You had it all in your trunk, you know? Just really busy, you know? Like really, really busy this month. Doing so many things. You know, it's me. Tonight I have the opening of Cats, so I'm in New York. Zendaya has the Euphoria premiere in LA. She's wearing Ashi Studio Couture. Jodie Turner-Smith is going to Fashion Choice with Tory Burch in this really beautiful orange like gown. And Ryan the Face Destiny is going sit at a table. She's also presenting the best ready wear category with Google. I feel better because I have on the right shoe. You know. Now I feel better. No, I wanted to remember if I still knew how to take the train. So I think we were on 14th Street.
Yeah.
And I took the 2. I think I took the 2 this morning.
But you gotta, my job is to protect you, and I lay my life down for you. You can't just disappear because you wanna experience the subway again.
I didn't want it. I just wanted to see. I still, you know, if I still had a little bit of me was still a New Yorker, you know.
Well,
I wanted to
that
like
you are.
feel like I still knew how to do it, you know, because I used to catch the train all the time. Is she running out? She getting to the carpet?
Mm-hmm. I think it's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right where?
There's a yellow sign.
Yeah.
Right past us on it.
I could get out too. I look fabulous.
Happy opening.
Do I look like a cat? I think I have such a physical connection to Ballroom, and when the show was off Broadway, I didn't get a chance to see it, but everybody was talking about it, and it was one of the things that I felt like I really missed out on. So when I heard it was coming to Broadway and it was official, and there was an opportunity for me to be included, I jumped at the chance. I mean, it feels incredible. It just feels incredible to see people that I've watched for years, you know, in Ballroom, like actually get like this big of a platform. It's a huge stage, and I just think that we are all part of them because, you know, Ballroom culture is also Black culture, you know what I mean? And so it feels so good to me. I'm so delighted to be here.
I love it. Thank you so much. Let's get you a Tony.
Happy opening. Enjoy. Happy opening. Happy opening.
Absolutely fab. I am so proud to be a part of something that you can feel means so much to so many people. Like, it was joy, just packed full of joy, and I am a fucking Broadway producer, and I'm proud. Okay, cut.
Cat, diggity giddy cat, meow. Cat, diggity giddy cat, meow. Cat, diggity giddy cat, meow. Cat's the Jellicle Ball. Cat, diggity giddy cat, meow. Cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat's the Jellicle Ball. Ooh, we wanna serve that old way, yes. We wanna give that new way, yes. Because it is on Broadway, yes. Tens across the board. Ooh, we wanna give that old way, yes. We wanna give that new way, yes. Cause it now on Broadway. Tens across the board. Ow, cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat, the Jellicle Ball. Cat, the kitty kitty cat, meow. Cat, the cat cat cat, meow. Cat, the purr cat cat, meow. Cat, the Jellicle Ball.
Call it what you want. It works. And also, I don't give a fuck what people say or think about my personal style, and nobody else should give a fuck what people say or think about their personal style, because your personal style is just that, yours.